So in this video I'm going to show a couple of new features that are in the latest update. The first is support for PDF forms. So I've set up a simple form to be filled in using the text in Zoomnotes. So I'm basically designing a PDF form, but equally you can import a PDF form, and I'll show that in a sec. So text field, so I'm going to tap on that piece of text. Okay, I've been filling it in, but the new bit is this one here, form field. You enable it, and that tells the app that you want to treat it as a field that someone else is going to fill in. And a form field has three basic types: text, choice, or button. So these first two are just text, but this one is a choice. So you can see here on the left the form field type choice, and it's presenting two choices when I've clicked on it. So I could choose single if I wanted to, and it would do that. And you set up the choices by the choice labels, and then you can just add a new one, whatever. The last type, button types, are either checkboxes or radio buttons. Now, radio buttons is like a list of exclusive choices. So if I tap on any of these, the other one becomes unselected, whereas a checkbox, it just is or it isn't, and it doesn't affect anything else. So the other thing to notice about the text tool is it's got a new button on the extreme left of the text toolbar, which is the next form field. So what that does is it cycles through all the form fields on a page and lets you fill them in. So that makes it easy to fill in a form. So if you're happy with what you've done, you can then export that as a PDF form. So I'll do that now. So I'm just going to airdrop it. Formats, obviously PDF, but it's a new option, PDF form. So you wouldn't ordinarily choose that because it limits the other options, but it simplifies generating a form. So I'm just going to share that to files. As one, it'll overwrite, replace, and then I can go and import that from iCloud Drive. So this is importing the PDF form I've just created. So there's a new option here, as form, import, and there it is. So text tool will now cycle through the bits to be completed. So the other new feature is to do with symbols. So I'm going to place a symbol here, and it allows you to change kind of what's in a symbol. So I've previously added these things, and maybe that's not what I wanted, and I wanted to let's say I want a double tick, for instance, like that. Get rid of that. So now I'm going to select those two items that I want to replace as items in that symbol, and I can go to operations part of the selection functions menu, and you'll see overwrite symbol. So I'm going to choose that, and it's going to overwrite the current symbol. In brackets it said it's called tick, the one you're overwriting, just to make sure, because it's not undoable, and you just want to make sure you're doing it right when you say overwrite. So now when I go back here, then the tick is now actually double tick, and you can reuse it like that.